There are tons of multiple item wireless chargers available now, but picking one can be a headache. You not only have to contend with varying levels of support, but different designs as well. The last thing you want is something that won't fit on your nightstand or WFH desk. If you're looking for the best multi-device wireless charging pad for your needs, we can help. We've tested numerous wireless charging accessories that support up to 3 devices simultaneously, and we have some thoughts on which are the ones that are worth your money. Number 1. Belkin MagSafe 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Pad. It doesn't get much better than Belkin's most advanced model of wireless charger if you're an Apple devotee. The high-quality Boost Charge Pro 3-in-1 pad offers 15 watts MagSafe charging for your iPhone, fast charging for the Apple Watch and a space for AirPods Pro or other earbuds with Qi-compatible cases. The base is weighty, covered in rubberized plastic and includes a discrete status light for your earbuds. More importantly, it supports more devices than you might think. Although the Pro pad uses MagSafe, the horizontal layout lets you charge virtually any phone at reduced speeds. We also have to give Belkin kudos for one of the most convenient Apple Watch chargers we've seen. It not only works horizontally and vertically, but includes a knob to adjust for different sizes and third-party cases. This is quite large compared to some 3-in-1 chargers, so it's not the greatest choice for a nightstand. Number 2. Anker 533 Magnetic Wireless Charger. You can find plenty of more affordable 3-in-1 chargers. Few, however, offer quite as much for the money as the Anker 533 Wireless Charger 3-in-1 stand. It offers an adjustable angle 10 watts vertical stand and lets you charge an Apple Watch either horizontally or vertically. There's also a 20 watts USB-C power adapter in the box, so you won't have to buy an aftermarket brick, or rely on proprietary cabling, to get started. The limitations mostly stem from the cost-cutting measures. You probably won't have room for a second phone. And like some chargers we've seen, the Apple Watch mount is a bring-your-own cable affair that only supports older USB-A connections. The included cable with your Series 8 or SE won't work here. At $58, though, this 3-in-1 wireless charging stand is a good bargain. Number 3. Mophie Dual Universal Wireless Charging Pad. The 2-in-1 field is highly competitive and makes it difficult to choose an absolute winner. However, Mophie's dual wireless charging pad hits many of the right marks. It can charge 2 devices at up to 10 watts each, making it a great pick for a 2-phone household. The fabric surface with rubberized trim should keep your gadget steady, and the status lights will confirm accurate placement. There's even a USB-A port to plug in your watch charger or any other wired hardware. The complaints are few. You won't charge at 15 watts, and we'd rather have USB-C than USB-A. It's nonetheless a safe choice at $80, and worth buying over less expensive options. The Mophie Dual Charging Pad is a great portable and compact device with an anti-slip rubber ring to keep your phone at the optimal charging position. Plus, the anti-scratch Ultra Suede surface prevents your devices from slipping. Number 4. Samsung 15 watts Wireless Charger Duo. Multi-device chargers from phone manufacturers tend to be either compromised or highly proprietary, but Samsung Super Fast Wireless Charger Duo, sometimes known as the 15 watts Duo Fast Wireless Charger, bucks that trend. It's compact and delivers high-speed charging for one phone and an accessory, whether it's a Samsung Galaxy Watch or another manufacturer's earbuds. The status lights will even dim at night, and change color to indicate when your batteries are full. This won't help for 2-phone households, and Samsung only guarantees 15 watts charging for some of its own phones, the Galaxy Note 10, Galaxy S20 and later. You'll also want to be mindful of which version you buy, as there are variants with and without a power adapter in the box. Neither is cheap at respective prices of $90 and $70. This remains an elegant charger for nightstands and travel, though, and the pads are sufficiently device agnostic. Number 5. Mophie 4-in-1 Wireless Charging Mat. There are few wireless chargers built with more than one person in mind, but Mophie's 4-in-1 wireless charging mat is the most well-rounded of the bunch. The pad can handle up to 4 devices wirelessly at 10 watts, including 2 phones and 2 accessories. There's also a spare USB-A port for charging earlier Apple Watch models, using the included mount and your own cable, or wired items. A fabric surface, subtle device trays and indicator lights will also take the mysteries out of charging. This is a giant charger compared to most, and you might find it limiting if your home has more than one Apple Watch or accessories that won't fit the smaller charging pads. Even so, Mophie is offering considerable value for $150. The 4-in-1 does more than some 3-in-1 chargers at that price, and it doesn't suffer the compatibility issues of rivals like Nomad Space Station Pro,